Is your pizza halal? No halal. Is there veggie pizza?
This one is veggie.
Which one? Show me. This one veggies? This one. Right.
Pork.
Can you make a custom veggie pizza like pineapple, everything, mushroom, everything?
This one.
So this one or do you have tuna pizza? Tuna pizza.
No sir, we don't have hot sauce.
This one is veggies?
This one is not available for now, sir.
Oh, sorry. Okay, give me this one. Can you put pineapple inside?
Yes.
Pineapple and
What
mushroom.
size, sir? This one?
Family. Put pineapple and mushroom.
For takeout.
Your takeout. And can you give me one this corn yellow?
Saba con yellow?
Yeah. And one this one.
This one is not available, sir. Only this one.
Only this one. Okay. Then give me these two. Two. How much?
Mushroom and pineapple, sir.
Yes. Right.
Can I have your name, sir?
My name is Rame, R-A-M-A-Y. What is this golden curls?
Twisted fries, sir.
Is there any meat?
No.
Okay, give me.
Only
Okay, give me this one also.
Your bill is 958 pesos, sir.
Okay, pay by credit card, master.